Hey guys, this is my phone. It's you can see Poco X3 Pro. So that's a new version. Just recently bought this phone, and when I try to do the full screen feature, that's a full screen gesture and guide demo mode, I can do. That works. That's good. That's left to right, right to left, and that's a trigger app. Done. Swipe previous, say turn on. This is turn on, go back previous app first. So I got go back previous app. Cool, I turn on. Now when I try to click it or do something, it doesn't work. Now when it's a full screen, but it doesn't work now. The top one works, bottom one you can go, doesn't work. This one's works, yeah. So when I try to play the futures, now it doesn't work. Yeah. It's supposed to work. Okay, hope you guys gonna find some information for me that will be helpful. Thank you.